Hey, good morning. Tim Cray here, Expert Power Wash, Milwaukee, Oregon. Hey, we're downtown Portland today doing some storefront cleaning. So take a look around. We're cleaning this one up. I'll show you guys what we're dealing with here in just a second. All right, guys, here's the storefront we're working on. Again, we're downtown Portland, Oregon. It's important to get these things cleaned up. When you're in a metro area, you're going to get a lot of traffic, both pedestrian and car traffic. So it tends to stir up a lot of dirt and dust and whatnot. So take a look around. These tracks are pretty dirty. All up in here. The cap, it's kind of hard to see probably from here, but the caps are all black and dirty. We're going to get this thing cleaned up so this business can be more presentable in the downtown Portland area. So again, let's just take a look. Got a nice orange wall here. A lot of dirt. We are not doing concrete today. That's something they may possibly add in the future. We'll go ahead and take a look here. Again, it's really dirty. It's hard to see the windows. Well, I guess you can kind of see them a little bit. Our soft wash process will get a lot of this stuff cleaned up. Oh, again, you can see the tracks, how dirty that is. Again, that's just the dirt and stuff being stirred up. Cigarette butt on the inside of the store. Snake skin shoes. See all the tracks there. It's all pretty bad. All right, guys, I'm gonna get this storefront cleaned up and be on my way. Hey, you guys have a great day. Hey, I'll show you a little after here. As you can see, the windows are pretty clean. No more dirt and dust on there. This is an older building, so you're still going to see some of the caulking and stuff, but as you can see, all the dirt is gone. This building is cleaned up and ready for business. So let's take you a quick walk around. Again, all the sills are clean, windows are clean. Go into the entrance here. Remember that orange wall, how dirty that was? Got the orange wall cleaned up, entrance is cleaned up. All right, building washing in downtown Portland.